Want to sound fluent in English without learning hundreds of new words? Steal these advanced words. Instead of saying amazing, try remarkable. It sounds more natural and sophisticated. Example, she made a remarkable recovery. Replace important with crucial to sound more confident. Communication is crucial for success. Use delighted instead of just happy. I was delighted to hear the news. Challenging sounds more professional than difficult. Example, it was a challenging project. Challenge time. Which word are you going to use today? That's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Until then, toodles!